There is a cautious reception to plans for Prime Minister Narendra Modi meeting political leaders for Jammu and Kashmir later this month amid expectations that the consultation may be the first step towards holding of assembly elections in the state. The Congress Old Guard and Gen Next in Punjab appear to have joined hands to oppose any attempt by the leadership to grant cricketer turned politician Navjot Singh Sidhu as preeminent organization post ahead of others, which may wondering if it may influence the nature of rigid that the party is contemplating to bring coherence in the volatile state unit. The phasing out of MiG-21 fighter jet, which has been involved in several accidents over the years, will happen over the next 2 to 3 years, Air Chief Marshal R.K. Bhadauria said on Saturday. Pakistan PM Imran Khan has said the country will absolutely not allow the CIA to use bases on its soil for cross-border counter-terrorism missions following the withdrawal of American forces from Afghanistan. India joined China and Russia in abstaining from a vote on a UNGA resolution seeking to delegitimize the Myanmar military junta and to prevent flow of arms into the country. UN special rapporteurs have written to the Indian government saying that India's information technology guidelines and digital media ethics code rules 2021 in their current form do not conform with international human rights norms. The National Green Tribunal halted implementation of the other passed last year by MOEF and Central Pollution Control Board, which effectively lifted ports out as a prohibited category in a Dahanu ecological fragile with no expert study conducted. It what may change the established system of sanctioning prosecutions of arraigned parliamentarians. Lok Sabha has sought legal opinion on who the Speaker or Lokpal should be the competent authority for green signalling charge sheeting of MPs in a corruption case. The LJP function headed by Pashupati Kumar Paras on Saturday disbanded all bodies and state units affiliated with the party and announced a new national executive. Anushka Sharma is currently embracing parenthood with husband Virat Kohli as they recently welcomed their first child. The family is staying put in London for the World Test Championship finals.